So, hey, hi YouTubers, how you doing today? Well, I decided to make myself a scribe. And for a number of years I've been using these for a scribe, which works out quite nice. The only problem is it's got this little collet thing in here, and this keeps coming out all the time, and I keep putting it back in. Yeah, it's not as good as it could be, so I'm going to make a nicer one with this brass rod that I've got here. So I'm going to get myself one of these little pointers here, which I have right here, which used to be part of a compass. It's nice and sharp, look at that. That'll work out good. So we're going to drill a hole in there, we're going to taper this down and knurl the handle here and stuff like that, but we're going to put a hole in here, thread the hole, and put a grub screw in there so that if it gets dull I can take it out, or I can replace it, or whatever I want to do with that. So I'm going to cut this. Short work of that. Okay, so we got to figure out where we're going to put this taper, and we're going to put the set screw. So put the taper to here. Let's go here. Oh, yeah, I got that one sticking out. Okay, let's go over to the lathe and see what we can do there. Start with a taper first. Going in there, I'll set that up off camera, and then we'll get to cutting. Oh, I think we'll just check this out, see how this fits. Oh, beautiful. Just what I wanted. Okay, we're going to start cutting the taper. This one says 3/4 of an inch. But I like 1 inch better, so we'll put 1 inch here. An inch there. And 1 inch back make it shiny in the middle. Yeah, so I'd just go ahead and take one of the tools out of one of the holders. I don't have a dedicated holder for this clamp knurler, which I made. These are all over the internet. You can find web pages that show you how to make these. This one's worked wonderful for years. Gotta have one if you don't. Those pressure ones that you do forward, I don't know, I don't much like those. Put too much pressure on the bearings and the chuck and all that stuff. Whew. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is pretty nice knurl on there. Now just to make it a little bit cooler, I've replaced the knurling tool with the parting tool. I'm just going to cut a couple grooves, one on either side of the knurl. That'll make it nicer. Clean up the knurl a little bit on the edge. For our set screw, and I got my handy dandy V-blocks here. I'm going to put this so it's not on the knurling, and we will make ourselves a hole right here. We'll take that over to the drill press and we'll drill a hole in it. A little bit past the hole so that a little better threads on it. That'll work. There now. So I should be able to get that set screw in there. A little bit, but it's okay. So that's it. It's all finished. Anyway, it came out real nice. I sanded down that grub screw so that it was flush with. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll get together again.